Hello, today, we're diving into the art of keeping your Forna Cork floors looking fantastic. You'll be happy to know that cleaning cork floors is surprisingly simple, much like caring for traditional hardwood. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about Forna Cork floors. They're finished with water-based polyurethane, the same type of finish used on hardwood floors. This makes cleaning them a breeze. Cork floors require some basic care to maintain their beauty. Here are the essentials. 1. Regular vacuuming or sweeping. First, give your cork floor a gentle vacuum or sweep every few days, depending on how often the area is used. Be sure to turn off the beater bar on your vacuum. Use a soft bristled broom to remove dirt and debris. 2. Weekly damp mopping. Next, on a weekly basis, you'll want to damp mop your cork floor. Here's how. Use a slightly damp microfiber mop head. It's important not to saturate the floor, so don't spray water directly onto it. A lightly damp mop head is all you need. 3. Occasional deeper cleaning. And occasionally, when your floor needs a bit more TLC, you can use a stronger cleaning solution. Here's how to do it safely. Instead of plain water, you can use a pH-neutral cleaner, typically designed for wood floors. But always test it in an inconspicuous area to ensure it won't leave any marks. Never spray the cleaning mixture directly on the floor. When selecting a pH-neutral hardwood floor cleaner, keep these criteria in mind. 1. Look for the word neutral on the bottle. 2. Ensure it's meant for hardwood floors, not a long list of surfaces. 3. It should leave no residue, a crucial factor. 4. Avoid cleaners labeled shine enhancers or refreshers. These can harm the cork surface. And there you have it, folks. Cleaning your Forna Cork floors is as easy as 1, 2, 3. With these simple steps and the right cleaner, your cork floors will maintain their beauty for years to come.